Hey everyone, welcome to Be the Best You. I'm so excited to have you join me today. Today we're diving into a condition that affects millions, fatty liver. This is a common issue that many people face, but not everyone knows how to address it effectively. Your liver is your body's primary detox organ, filtering out toxins and metabolizing fat. It plays a crucial role in maintaining your overall health and well-being. But when overloaded with fat, it can't function effectively. This can lead to a range of health issues, including inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure if left unchecked. The good news? Fatty liver is reversible. With the right lifestyle changes and dietary adjustments, you can restore your liver to its optimal health. Certain beverages are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help your liver regenerate and reduce inflammation. These drinks can be a powerful tool in your journey to better liver health. In this video, I'll share 10 amazing drinks to support liver health and reverse fatty liver. These drinks are not only delicious, but also easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Stick around until the end because I've saved the best for last. Let's jump right in and discover these fantastic liver-boosting beverages together. You won't want to miss it. Let's start with green tea, a drink many of you know. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins like EGCG. EGCG has incredible liver protective effects, reducing liver fat and fighting inflammation. Studies show regular green tea drinkers have lower liver enzyme levels. Opt for organic varieties to avoid pesticide residues. Boost the benefits by adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a natural detoxifier. Enjoy your green tea and support your liver. Coffee can actually be beneficial for your liver. Good quality, organic coffee, preferably black or with natural cream, is best. Studies link coffee consumption to a lower risk of liver disease, including fatty liver and cirrhosis. Coffee contains caffeine and chlorogenic acid, which protect the liver. Moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 2 cups per day. Enjoy your coffee and support your liver health. Turmeric tea, revered for centuries, contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin reduces inflammation, protects against cell damage, and supports liver function. Studies show curcumin helps reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity. To make turmeric tea, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to hot water. Enhance absorption with a pinch of black pepper and add almond or coconut milk for flavor. Consistency is key for reaping the benefits of turmeric tea. Beetroot juice is a vibrant drink packed with nutrients and antioxidants. This deep red elixir is not only visually appealing, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Beets are natural blood purifiers and detoxifiers, containing betalains with anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Beetroot juice increases the production of liver-cleansing enzymes. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down and eliminating toxins from the body, ensuring your liver functions optimally. These enzymes help break down toxins, aiding liver detoxification. By supporting the liver's natural detox processes, beetroot juice helps maintain overall health and well-being. Beetroot juice is also a good source of fiber, essential for healthy digestion. Fiber aids in maintaining a healthy gut, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. You can find beetroot juice at health food stores, or make your own by blending fresh beets with water. Making your own juice ensures you get the freshest and most nutrient-rich drink possible. Mix with apple or carrot juice if the taste is too strong. These additions not only improve the flavor, but also add extra vitamins and minerals to your drink. Enjoy beetroot juice for a liver detox. Incorporating this nutritious drink into your daily routine can help support liver health and overall wellness. Lemon water is a simple yet effective drink for liver health. Lemons are natural diuretics, helping flush out toxins and excess water. Citric acid in lemons stimulates bile production, aiding fat digestion and waste removal. Drinking lemon water in the morning kickstarts liver detoxification. To make lemon water, squeeze half a lemon into warm or room temperature water. Add fresh ginger for extra flavor and digestive support. Ginger has been used for centuries for its health benefits, particularly for digestion and liver support. This humble root is a powerhouse of nutrients and bioactive compounds that can significantly improve your overall well-being. Ginger contains gingerols and shogaols, which reduce inflammation and protect liver cells. These compounds are known for their potent antioxidant properties, which help in detoxifying the liver and promoting its healthy function. Ginger also helps reduce nausea and digestive discomfort. It can be particularly beneficial for those who suffer from chronic indigestion or motion sickness, providing a natural and effective remedy. To make ginger tea, grate fresh ginger root into hot water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. This simple preparation method ensures that you get the maximum benefits from the ginger. Strain and enjoy with a squeeze of lemon juice and a touch of raw honey. The lemon juice adds a refreshing zest, while the honey provides a natural sweetness and additional health benefits. Enjoy ginger tea for a soothing liver tonic. This warm, comforting beverage not only supports liver health, but also offers a moment of relaxation and tranquility in your daily routine. Dandelion root tea is a powerful liver detoxifier used in traditional medicine. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic, flushing out excess water and toxins. It contains bitter compounds that stimulate bile production, aiding fat digestion. Dandelion root tea is also a good source of potassium, regulating fluid balance. Find organic dandelion root tea at health food stores. Steep a tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful tool for liver health and weight loss. It contains acetic acid, reducing liver fat and improving insulin sensitivity. Apple cider vinegar also balances pH levels, reducing inflammation. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons to a glass of water and drink before meals. Add raw honey to taste if desired. Start with a smaller amount and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Aloe vera juice is known for its skin healing properties and liver benefits. Aloe vera contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support liver health. It helps cleanse the digestive tract and reduce gut inflammation. Choose organic, unsweetened aloe vera juice to avoid harmful additives. Enjoy aloe vera juice for a soothing liver detox. Milk thistle tea is a powerful liver-supporting herb. It contains silymarin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Silymarin protects the liver from toxins and helps regenerate liver cells. Milk thistle tea is beneficial for liver conditions like fatty liver and hepatitis. Find organic milk thistle tea at health food stores. Steep a tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Enjoy milk thistle tea for liver protection. There you have it. 10 powerful drinks to help reverse fatty liver and support liver health. Your liver plays a vital role in your overall health. Incorporate these drinks into your daily routine for liver support. Consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching.